This flavor combination will make a lot of people go, what? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to create the 20th century. Now, the 20th century, though it was created in the 20th century, is not named for that. According to William Turling's 1937 book, the Cafe Royal Cocktail Book, bartender C.A. Tuck named this not because they were in the 20th century, but for the 20th century limited luxurious passenger train that ran from New York City to Chicago, and it ran from 1902 to 1967. It's a weird combination of ingredients because it utilizes lemon juice, creme de cacao, gin, and Lillet Blanc. It's kind of an interesting combination, so let's go ahead and make it. This is a shaken cocktail, which of course means grab a shaker. Need a lemon, slice her in half, grab my jigger. I need 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And now I need a 1/2 ounce of creme de cacao, which is chocolate liqueur. The recipe calls for white creme de cacao. I don't have white creme de cacao, I just have the standard. This is also Tempest Fugit. Some people say it's the good stuff for creme de cacao, so if you can afford it, get it. And as I said, I need a 1/2 ounce of creme de cacao. And now I need Lillet Blanc. I need a 1/2 ounce of Lillet Blanc. For those of you that are curious, this is like a vermouth. It's a Blanc style vermouth, which is a white vermouth, or like a dry vermouth, but it's been sweetened in a red style. And now, for the final ingredient of this, I need 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm using Tanqueray. Well, you know what's next. Ice cube in, combine everything. Good. Good deal. This will be served in a Nick and Nora, Hawthorne down. I'm going to close the gate slightly to really strain out and strain. And this is the 20th century. Cheers. Wow. That's weird. No, that's very weird. The chocolate, the vermouth, the gin, the lemon, that's weird. The combination, it sounds like it shouldn't work, and yet it works so well. It does, it works outstandingly well. The dark chocolate notes from the creme de cacao, the herbaceous notes from the vermouth, the zing from the lemon. It's interesting. This is a cocktail that I would say you would want to experience to give a full idea on this. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's weird. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, shakers, strainers, glassware, anything like that, check down below to a link to kit.co, which houses everything I utilize under the sun, aside from alcohol, stuff I make, the stuff I use for my syrups, things like that. They're all Amazon affiliate links, which you know what that means. I'm not going to tell you. Find all my socials in the description below as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.